Imagine your AI agent is answering every question perfectly, but your monitoring system has silently stopped receiving telemetry. Everything looks healthy, yet you're completely blind to what the application is doing. That's exactly the problem this project explores. I built a local AI agent powered by Ollama and instrumented every important step with OpenTelemetry so I could observe it end-to-end using a self-hosted SigNoz deployment. The architecture is intentionally simple. A user submits a question to the Python command line agent. The agent decides whether it needs to call a tool, such as retrieving the current time, and then sends the final prompt to a locally running Ollama model. Every significant step creates OpenTelemetry spans that are exported through OTLP into SigNoz, giving complete visibility into each request. Every request begins with a parent span named agent_request. Whenever the language model is called, a child span named call_LLM is created. If the user asks for the current time, another child span named tool.get_time is added. This parent-child hierarchy creates a complete execution timeline for every request. Let's run the agent. Before starting, I configure the OpenTelemetry exporter so traces are sent directly to my local SigNoz collector. I'll ask a question that requires the time tool. The answer is generated locally using Ollama, while telemetry is exported in the background without affecting the user experience. Here is the resulting trace inside SigNoz. The root span represents the complete request lifecycle. Nested beneath it are the individual operations, including the time tool and the language model invocation. Each span records execution time, attributes, and metadata, making it easy to identify where latency or failures occur. Instead of relying only on logs, I can now see the entire request journey. This project isn't about building the most advanced AI agent. It's about building one whose behavior can be explained with evidence. By combining Ollama, OpenTelemetry, and SigNoz, every request becomes observable, measurable, and debuggable. Instead of simply saying it works, I can now prove exactly how it works. Thank you for watching.